Today I will be presenting Assignment 3 for Salon del Rio by Group G, Joseph, Brittany, and Freddie. Location and layout. Demographic analysis. Salon del Rio will be located in Rio Rancho, New Mexico. Rio Rancho is an ethnic-rich community, but the large majority of the population is Hispanic. The salon will target customers mainly in the age range of 18 through 55, and of all different ethnicities and backgrounds. Traffic count. Salon del Rio will be located at 4405 Jagger Drive, Rio Rancho, New Mexico. This is located near the intersection of Highway 550 and 528, which are two of the busiest highways in the Rio Rancho area. The majority of shopping and restaurants are located in this direct area. Thousands of cars a day will pass through this intersection, giving our business great opportunity to draw in onlookers. Labor needs and supply. Salon del Rio will employ beauty stylists who specialize in hair, nails, and/or personal skincare. With there being multiple cosmetology schools in this area, it should not be an issue finding people to employ. Salaries for hairstylists and cosmetologists will vary, due to the fact that much of their earnings are gained from tips. We will also be paying our employees a commission for products they sell to the customers who they serve. Competitor analysis. Our existing competitors. Who are they? Our competition consists of hair salons, nail salons, and spa salons in the area of Rio Rancho. Rio Rancho is a small city that is still growing, which is an issue for our business because this means that a lot of targeted consumer base travels to Albuquerque and even Santa Fe due to its larger size and the fact that there are more options to choose from than in Rio Rancho. Our competitors have an advantage over our business due to the fact that they have been in the area of Rio Rancho and they are established and have a customer base. Rio Rancho is a small area that customers might be reluctant to change or come to our salon because they already have their trusted source to go through. Another strength that the current businesses have in their prices is that they are lower. We plan to offer a price that will provide a sense of worth and a value to the client rather than the cheapest. This could make it harder for our business to acquire new clients since they are already used to a certain price. A weakness of our existing competitors may be that they have lacked innovation and they are not up to date with today's technology. Most hair salons and nail salons still work on over-the-phone appointments and walk-ins only, and offer the usual business hour operations, and this is where we will shine with the clients. We have also noticed that they do not have a strong relationship with the community and a lack of following on social media. Our focus will be on incorporating technology to make it easier for our clients to find us and make business with us. Our hours for operation will extend to 8 p.m. through appointments, and we will make events with the community in order to stay relevant and in the loop. Potential competitors. Potential competitors can arise and make a negative impact on our business. Our advantage includes technology integration, various beauty services all under one roof, and better accommodation for clients, which starts with our different business hours. The potential competitors that could affect our business include Supercuts, Great Clips, and Sport Clips. Currently in the area of Rio Rancho there is one of each, and as the city grows and expands, these chains can decide to open up multiple locations. Customers are drawn to these chain hair and barber salons due to the convenience of their walk-ins and prices. There are many potential impacts to our business if new competitors arise. To start, new businesses can make us go into a price war. New businesses can sometimes offer specials or incentives that could attract some of our clients, which then can lead to revenue loss for our business. This can affect our clientele base as a new business may offer a different aspect to our customers that can draw them away from us and also lead us to revenue loss. If we see clients go away and customers leave us, this can lead to employee morale and even a much worse business closure. This is why it's important to have a balance across revenue, marketing, and employee culture and customer service as well. Description of management team. There will be 3 key managers and employees. Freddie Toon, who has a major in business management and 5 years experience in finance and customer service. And myself, Brittany Vigil, who has a major in business management and experience in the beauty industry and customer service, and I currently work at Ulta Beauty, where beauty and cosmetics are sold. And Joseph Jaramillo, who has a major in criminal justice. We all bring different skills to our business. Joseph has an education with a major on criminal justice. Joseph was born and raised in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and has knowledge of the market and what competition we have in the neighboring city. Brittany has experience of customer service and has worked at Ulta Beauty. I have knowledge and experience in the best beauty products and what's trending and what customers want. Freddie has experience in customer service as well as a finance background which can contribute to the finance aspect of the business. Plan of operation. Form of ownership chosen and reasoning. The form of ownership for our business is limited liability company. The reason we chose to be an LLC is because this allows us to protect our personal assets in a case of employee or customer lawsuit. Being set up as an LLC also protects us from any obligation of the business such as debt. Company structure. Member Freddie Toon will handle accounting, books, finances, and payroll. Member Brittany will handle HR, employees, and hiring. And Member Joseph will do advertising such as social media and marketing. Decision-making authority. When it comes to decisions for the business, we have decided to share the authority, as we are all equal owners. Each of us will be responsible for our department. We have broken down responsibility into 3 different categories, which are the financials, human resources, and advertising. We are each responsible for our departments. We will be meeting once a week to keep each other informed of what is happening and also gather opinions. We will also meet when required if a decision needs to be decided on something that will impact the business greatly. Compensation and benefit packages. First, we will have insurance, health and wellness, health insurance, dental insurance, and also life insurance. Financially, there will be performance bonuses based on clients retained and new clients acquired, and also the services performed. Product bonuses based on products sold for the store. Free finance education every 6 months as well. And for family, there will be maternity and paternity leave 4 weeks but must be employed for a minimum of 1 year, and also flexible hours. Vacation and time off. There will be vacation and bereavement leave. Perks and discounts. Employee discounts on services and products. They will receive job training, professionally and developmentally. We must acquire all of these when we are opening our new business. Thank you.